Good morning, friends. Myself, I am Hade. Today we are presenting the centrifugal pump. In that today's lectures we will discuss various heads of pump and velocity diagram. So let's start various heads and velocity diagram. Let's firstly draw the various types of head. There are the suction head, delivery head, static head and manometric head. Firstly, draw the diagram. डायग्राम झाली की मला सांगा. So there is a head as shown in figure is eye of impeller to the top of this delivery head. Eye of impeller to the free surface of liquid is a suction head. डायग्राम झाली की मला सांगा. So various today we will see the various head of centrifugal pump. So this is the centrifugal pump, casing, impeller, which is studied in last lectures. So firstly, there are the four heads. Write down the heads: suction head, delivery head, static head, and manometric head. So which head? So name consists of HS, HD, HA, and HM. So total head. So write down firstly name. So firstly, static head. So what do you mean static head? Let's see the figure. Static section head, sorry, section head. So let's HS. So vertical distance between level of sum to the eye of an impeller, it is called as suction lift. Again I repeat, it is a vertical distance from sump or eye of impeller to the suction lift. It is a vertical distance between level of sump and eye of impeller. So it is called suction lift. So write down suction head. Firstly write down suction head. So next is a delivery head. So in diagram HD is a delivery head. It is a distance, vertical distance from eye of impeller to the where delivery is required. So that is a delivery head. It is a vertical distance between eye of an impeller to level at which water is delivered. It is a vertical distance between eye of impeller at which water is delivered. So delivery here, it is a vertical distance between eye of impeller to the water is delivered. So write down delivery head. So next is a suction static head. Static head, it is a sum of delivery head and suction head. So it is capital HS. It is a HS plus HD. Again I repeat, the sum of suction head and delivery head, it is given by HS, which is HS plus HD. Write down static head. So next is a manometric head, which is very important in exam. So manometric head means that is a head against which centrifugal pump is worked. Simple language, the head is required. Head is required to lift the water. Head is required to lift the water. So HM is equal to head imparted by liquid. So head which is required to lift the load. So basically HM is equal to V2 VW2 U2 upon G minus HLI HLC, loss in impeller and loss in casing. So HM is equal to VW2 U2 upon G. So HM is equal to static head plus loss of head in kinetic energy and loss of head in pipes. HS equal to HFS, HFD, head lost in section, head lost in delivery, HFD, loss of head in the suction pipes. Again I repeat, firstly write down the first case, head imparted by water, loss of head of pump in impeller and casing. So where HLI, loss in impeller and loss in casing. Second, HM is equal to static head plus losses in pipes plus kinetic energy. So capital HS is equal to HFS, HFD plus VD square upon 2G. HS plus HD plus HFS plus HFD plus VD square upon 2G. So where HS and HD are the suction and delivery head, HFS is a loss of head due to suction in delivery pipes, where VD is a delivery velocity in delivery pipes. So write down this. So next is a head at the inlet of outlet of pipe minus head at the outlet of pipes. This is the three cases for manometric head. So total head at the outlet is PD upon G. So total head means total energy, P upon rho G, P upon W plus V square upon 2G plus Z. So it is converted into HD plus VD square upon 2G plus JD. Similarly, total head at the inlet PS upon rho G plus Vs square upon 2G plus Zs. So JHS is equal to plus Vs square plus 2G plus Zs. So HM is equal to HD plus VD square upon 2G minus HS plus Vs square upon 2G. So this is a head diagrams. So write down. So in this way we can see the various types of heads. Again, I repeat this head. This is diagram. First is a static head. Second is a delivery head. Third is a first is a suction head. Second is a delivery head. Third is a static head. And fourth is a manometric head. So manometric head giving three equations: head imparted by impeller by the water when load is considered, and total head at outlet and impeller. So this is a so in next lecture we see the velocity diagram. Thank you.